Hello friends, I am back with another exciting tutorial on using CapCut to create a scrolling text masking transitions. Let's begin the tutorial. I have imported a video to the timeline. Reduce the duration of the video to 10 seconds. Add a default text and increase the duration of the text. Keep the same duration for both the video and the text. Select a bold type font and reduce the size of the text. I have changed the position of the text. You can place the text wherever you want. I have added some text. Lock the video track. Keep the playhead at the starting point and add the first keyframe to the position. Add the second keyframe at 4 seconds duration. Add the third keyframe at 8 seconds duration. Keep the playhead at the first keyframe position. At this point, hide the text right side. Select the third keyframe. At this point, hide the text left side. I have created a duplicate copy of the text using the Alt plus left mouse button. Now I will add some style for both the text. Select the first text and change the text color. Add glow to the text and increase the range value to 100. I have added text color and glow effects for the second text. Hide the top text video track. Select the first text and create a compound clip using the right mouse button. Add the horizontal mask to the compound clip. Rotate the mask 90 degrees. Change the position of the mask. Place it where you want to hide the text. If you play, it looks like this. Unhide the top text track. Select the text and create another compound clip. Add the horizontal mask to the compound clip. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees. Change the position of the mask. Place it where you want to show the second text. A scrolling text masking transition is ready. Play the video. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.